Strapi versus Django, best since 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Strapi and Django to help you decide which one suits you best. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that choosing between Strapi and Django in 2025 depends on your project needs. Over here, let's start with Strapi. After that, Strapi is best for developers looking for an easy to use API first, self hosted CMS. Then it offers Headless CMS with REST and graphical APIs, flexible content management with an intuitive admin panel, supports multiple databases PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MySQL, SQLite. Authentication and role-based access control are back. Easy integration with front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Next.js. Quick setup for fast MVP development. Now, moving on to Django, it is best for developers building scalable, backend heavy applications with full control. Over here, Django provides full stack framework SIEMs plus backend capabilities. Django SIEMs available for content heavy applications. Django REST Framework DRF for API development. Built in authentication, security, and admin panel. Supports SQL databases PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite. Highly customizable for complex business logic. Then, if you are wondering which one to choose, here's a simple breakdown. For a ready to use headless CMS with API support and fast setup, Strapi. For a highly customizable Python based backend with full control, Django. So that's how you can choose between Strapi and Django. That's all for this video.